Hi Panthers, welcome to this week's Take Care of Yourself Tuesday video. This week I'm going to be showing you a doodling method. This is called Tangle Circles. It's similar to the Zentangle method, except I'm not a certified Zentangle instructor. I don't know all the rules that go along behind it, but this is just kind of an off-brand, if you will, way that you can doodle the Zentangle method. So what you're just going to need is just a sheet of paper, something to draw with, and then something that you can trace circles on. So I'll show you. This is what mine looks like. And so the Tangle Circle method can really help you relax, focus, expand your imagination, trust in your own creativity. So if you're someone that feels like you're not very artistic, that's okay. You don't need to be very artistically inclined to be able to do this. And it can just increase your awareness and just help you relax and just be in the moment and be present. So I'm going to show you all how I did it. All I did is I got a tube that had tape. I drew a bunch of different circles on my paper. And then in each of these sections that created as some of the circles overlapped, I made a different design or pattern in them. So that's pretty much all it is. So let's get started.